Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another really important video for those people who are applying for skilled worker visa UKVI, and they are supposed to take 4 skills tests, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking tests. We have general training, reading 1 hour, writing 1 hour, speaking around the same time 11 to 13 minutes, and listening for 30 minutes. If you're taking computer-based test, you get only 2 minutes to check your answers, but the listening is actually for 30 minutes. But if you will consider those 2 minutes to check your answers, that will be 32 minutes. So let's write it in here, 32 minutes if you're taking a computer-based test. In case if you're taking a paper-based test, then you will get 40 minutes, 30 minutes for listening to the recording and 10 minutes to transfer your answers on the answer sheet. Yeah? Most of the people prefer to take computer-based. General training, if you're taking a paper-based test, then the listening is 40 minutes. Recording is played for 30 minutes, but you get 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers. For computer-based general training, 30 minutes for listening to the recording and 2 minutes to just check your answers. Let's move to the second point. How many questions do you have to answer in each module for general training IELTS? In general training IELTS, you need to understand that the reading is for 1 hour, as you already know. You have to answer 40 questions in 1 hour, and you need about 18 to 20 answers correct to pass your general training 4 bands. Here's the full test. You can see that it's pretty long. Passage 1 carries B1 level English, passage 1 carries B2 level English, and passage number 3 is crazy. That's gonna blow your mind. You're gonna hate it. You're gonna detest it. You are going to think, what is it? You don't get it. Yeah? Anyone who is not good at English would not get it. Like if your level is below C1, you will not understand most of it. Task 1 is letter writing. But you have to write at least 150 words within 20 minutes. So this essay demands from you to write at least 250 words. A lot is going on in the essay. You have to understand the statement. If you don't understand the statement, you just write rubbish in the exam and you fail. Moving further to the listening task.
General Training IELTS Listening Test. Part 1 carries 10 questions. It's a dialogue. Part 2, it's a monologue. You get to hear the conversation once only. You can have multiple choice questions or a map section in it. Then comes Part 3, it can be a multi-log. And then comes Part 4. This part is a little bit tough for people who are not too good at English, because this one comes from C1 level of English and it is pretty academic. As you can have a look at it, it's a little bit hard. You just need 10 to 12 answers correct to pass.
Now the speaking test for general training, you have an interview section. You have a section, part 1 we call it. Examiner will ask you 4 questions about a certain topic. Examiner will tell you what's the topic. Like, for example, I will say, let's talk about reading books. Then I'll ask you 4 questions about reading books. Yeah? So the speaking is like this in general training. And then we have a cue card question. The examiner will show you a card just like this one, and your question will be written on it. You'll get 1 minute to read the question, and then you have to talk about it for 90 seconds. Then we have discussion. Examiner can ask you 7 to 8 more questions about the topic that examiner will choose for you. Those topics are usually related to your cue card or information that you have given in the cue card. This is the pattern of general training speaking. Thank you so much for watching. This is Angelina signing off.